One fiery speech could change a nation. Patrick Henry's thunderous call for liberty shook colonial America and pushed hesitant leaders toward resistance. Who was the man behind the words, and how did his voice ignite the fight for freedom? Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Patrick Henry was born in 1736 on the Virginia frontier. He failed at farming, failed at business, and found his calling only when he discovered the power of words. With little formal education, Henry studied law on his own. In court, his raw, emotional style stunned elites and electrified ordinary colonists. In 1765, Henry attacked British taxation during the Stamp Act crisis, boldly arguing that Parliament had no right to rule free Virginians. Henry didn't seek compromise. He believed liberty was already under assault, and that resistance was not rebellion, but duty. At the First and Second Continental Congresses, Henry pushed unity and preparation. His warnings proved prophetic as war drew closer. In 1775, Henry delivered the most famous speech in American history, ending with words that left no middle ground: liberty or death. Henry became Virginia's first wartime governor, organizing troops, supplies, and defense, turning fiery words into action.